life is brilliant.
What, was I too early? Oh, sorry, do you want to start over or keep going? Okay, now?
My life is brilliant. Your life's a joke. You're just pathetic. You're always broke. Your homemade Star Trek uniform really ain't impressing me. You're suffering from delusions of adequacy. You're pitiful. You're pitiful. You're pitiful. It's true. Never had a date that you couldn't inflate. And you smell repulsive too. What a bummer being you. Well, you just can't dance and forget romance. Everybody you know still calls you farty pants, but you'll always have a job. Well, I mean, as long as you still can work that Slurpee machine. You're pitiful. You're pitiful. You're pitiful. It's true. You're half undressed, eating chips off your chest, while you're playing Halo 2. No one's classier than you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Loser. You're pitiful. You're pitiful. You're pitiful, it's true. Your dog would much rather play fetch by itself. You still live with your mom and you're 42. Guess you'll never grow a clue. Well, it just sucks to be